Hello, respectable audience. I have a question for you. 1 by 3 divided by 3 by 1 times 1 by 3 divided by 3 by 1. Remember that 3 is not cancelled with 3 because it is division. And here also 3 is not cancelled with 3 because it is division between two numbers. So its answer is not 1. Now we will perform its solution. 1 by 3 divided by 3 by 1 can be written as 1 by 3 is kept itself. Division is changed into multiplication, and flip the 3, it will be 1 by 3, okay? Times 1 by 3 divided by 3 by 1. It will become 1 times 1 is equal to 1 divided by 3 times 3, it will be equal to 9, times 1 by 3 divided by 3 by 1. Now, division and multiplication are in the same question, and multiplication is at left, so we have to perform multiplication first because we have to follow DM rule. Division and multiplication both have same priority, but if division is at left, we will perform divide first. And if multiplication is at left, we will perform multiplication first. So 1 by 9 times 1 by 3, it will become 1 by 27 divided by 3 by 1. Now again we will apply KCF. What is KCF? KCF mean 1 by 27 is kept as it is, divide is changed into multiplication, and flip the 3, which will become 1 by 3. Hence 1 times 1 is equal to 1, and 27 times 3 it will be 81. Hence 1 divided by 81 will be our answer. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel and video.